रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अभी हम सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 4C। इट्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। इट्स ए पार्ट, परसेंटेज इज अ स्पेशल फ्रैक्शन विद डिनोमिनेटर। इसमें हमने डिनोमिनेटर्स का बताना है। डिनोमिनेटर जो परसेंटेज है इसका 100 होता है, सो देयर विल बी द 100। Next, its B part 3.52 expressed as the percentage is। तो इसको हम पहले परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, देन वी विल राइट इट्स आंसर। 3.52, तो इसको परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम जो ना इसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करेंगे। when we multiply the 3.52 with 100, तो डेसिमल 2 places राइट को मूव हो जाएगा। इट विल बी द 352 डिवाइड बाई 100। डिवाइड बाई 100 मीन्स परसेंट, परसेंट मीन्स इट विल बी द 352%। 1/100 means percent। Next, its C part, 80% expressed in its lowest form of fraction is। 80% percent means 1/100. We will write here 80%. It can be written 1/100, that is 80/100। अब इसमें से हम ये 0 इससे कैंसिल आउट करेंगे। 8/10, 8/10, then we will cancel out this one with 2, and it will be cancel out with 2. It is a 4/5 here. Next, its D part, 12% of 900 Rs rupees is equal to। We will take the 900 multiplied by 12%। 900, 12% means 12 divided by 100. This 2 zeros will be cancelled with this one. Now it is the 9 into 12. 9 times are the 108. 108 is the answer of this one. Next, 38% expressed as fraction is। 38%, percent means 1/100. 38 multiplied by 1/100, it can be written as 38/100. We can cancel out this one. It will be 19, and there will be 50. 19/50 is the answer in fraction form. 19/50. It is a question number 2 of exercise 4C. State whether the following are true or false. It's question number 2A part. 138% as the decimal is equal to 1.38. 138% means 1/100. It will be 138/100. Then we convert into decimal. It is divided by 102 zeros. Then the decimal moves 2 places toward the left, from left to right to left. It will be 1.38. So the answer, the given answer is true. Next, 10% of 9,000 is 900. We will take the 10% of 900. It will be 9000 multiplied by 10 over 100. These two zeros will be cancelled with this one. This is the 90 into 100. Then it is the 900. So the given answer is true. Now we are going to solve its C part. Slim got 8 out of 10 marks in math. Its percent is 8%. We will find the percent. 8 over 8 is the total of 10 marks. Total are the 10. 8 over 10, and we will multiply with 100. Now this will be cancelled with this one. 8 into 10%. Now it will be the 80%. But the given answer is 8%. So it is the false. Next, it's B part. Dania solved 10 questions out of 20 in exercise. She solved 5% of the exercise. We will find out. She has solved 10 questions and total are 20, and we will multiply this one with 100. We will simplify this one. This will be cut with this one, and 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are the 0. It will be 50%. So the given answer is 5%, but the actual answer is 50%. The given statement is false. Next, 45 tickets are sold out of the 100 for the stage show. The percentage of the sold tickets is 45%. 45 divided by 100, and we will multiply it with 100. This 100 will be cancelled. This one, it means it is the 45%. So the given answer is true. It is a question number 3. Select the correct answer in the given options. It's A part. 7 over 20 as the percentage is. We will solve this one. 70 over 20. We are going to convert into 100. It can be written as, we will multiply the 7 over 20. It will be divided by 5 over 5. It will be 35 over 100. We can write this one as the 35%. So correct option is 35%. The percentage means per thousand, per 10, per 100, and per hundreds. Percentage means 1 over 100. So it is written as the percentage. For the C point, question C, 8 out of 32 is S. 8 divided by 32 and multiplied by 100. Now we will simplify this one. The 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are the 35. 1 over 4 into 100. We can also simplify this one. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and 4 fives are 25. 4 fives are 20. It will be the 25%. That is this option D is the correct. 75% is same as, we will convert into fractions. 75% means 75 over 100, because percent means 1 over 100. Now we will simplify this one. It will be divided by 5, it will be 15, and this will be 20. Next, 15 over 20, it will be again divided by 5, and this will be 3 over 4. So the correct option is D. Next, E part. Word percent. Percent comes from the English word, French word, or Latin word, or German word. It has come from the Latin word. So option C is the correct. It is a question number 4. Change these fractions equivalent to the fractions with denominator 100. यानी कि डिनोमिनेटर में 100 आना चाहिए, तो ये इसमें इस फ्रैक्शन में हमने कन्वर्ट करना है। तो इसको हम कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? तो 10 टाइम्स आता 100, तो इसको 10 से हम मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड कर देंगे। इट्स आंसर विल बी 70 over 100. Same like that, we will convert this fraction. 9 over 10, it will be multiplied by 10 over 10. The answer will be the 90 over 100. This one. Continuing this one, if 25 is multiplied by 20, it will be the 100. So we will multiply this fraction with 20 over 20. It will be the 80 over 100. Same like that, 20 times are the 100. We will multiply this fraction with 20 over 20. It will be the 20 over 100. Same continuing this one, 11 over 25. 25 4 times are the 100, so we will multiply with 4 over 4. This will be 44 over 100 here. This is the answer. Same like this one, its F part. This will be the 21 over 25. We will multiply the 4 over 4. This will become 100, and this will become the 84. This is the final answer of this one.